Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going a bit behind the scenes in your home. We're talking about water valves. You know, those things you probably don't think about until you really need them.
Exactly. They're often hidden away, but they're absolutely critical for your home's plumbing health.
Right. So our mission today is to really understand what they do, why they're so vital, and how local experts, especially thinking about places like Coquitlam, make a difference. We're drawing insights from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, specifically their piece, Water Valve Services in Coquitlam, your local experts.
That's a good source. Breaks things down nicely.
Yeah, so let's unpack this. Try to make it super clear for everyone listening.
Sounds good. So basically, water valves, think of them like little doors or gates for the water in your pipes.
Okay, simple enough. Doors for water.
Yeah. And professional services around them cover putting new ones in, fixing ones that are leaky or stuck, and just, keeping them working right.
And why is that so important? I mean, beyond the obvious stopping water thing.
Well, it really comes down to control and prevention.
Yeah.
Good valves stop leaks before they become huge, expensive messes.
Right. Nobody wants water damage.
Definitely not. It also means you can control the water flow for repairs or emergencies. It keeps your whole water system healthy, which impacts your whole house.
Okay. Are there different kinds we should know about?
Yeah, there are a few main types in homes. Ball valves are really common. They've got a handle you usually turn just a quarter turn, super quick on or off.
Good for emergencies then.
Exactly. And then you have things like gate valves. These are often used for main shutoffs because when they're fully open, water flows through really easily, but they aren't great for turning on and off all the time.
Gotcha. So different valves for different jobs.
Precisely.
Now, you mentioned Coquitlam earlier. Why does local expertise matter so much with plumbing valves? Aren't pipes pretty much pipes everywhere?
You'd think so, but actually, no. Building codes and plumbing regulations can vary quite a bit from town to town. And specifically in a place like Coquitlam, local plumbers know those specific municipal rules. Plus, they understand things like, is the water harder here? Does that affect certain valve materials?
Oh, I never thought about water hardness affecting valves.
It can, over time. Also, things like common soil conditions for pipes running a local expert knows all that context.
So this is where it gets really interesting, right? They're not just installing a part, they're using their specific local knowledge.
Exactly. They have the right tools, often know the history of buildings in the area, and usually offer guarantees on their work because they're confident in that local understanding.
And the benefit for homeowners.
Huge benefits. You're less likely to have surprise water damage. You know your plumbing meets local codes, which is important, and honestly, just peace of mind.
Peace of mind is definitely worth something. Okay, let's talk about taking care of these valves. You said keeping them working right.
Yeah, think of regular valve checks like a health checkup for your plumbing system. It's proactive.
Like preventative medicine for pipes?
Kinda, yeah. The benefits are pretty clear. First, your valves just last longer and work better. Simple as that.
Makes sense.
Second, you avoid those sudden emergency repair bills. That saves you real money.
Always good.
Third, you actually save on water bills. Even tiny drips from a faulty valve add up. Fixing them improves your home's water efficiency.
Okay, saving money and water, that's a double win.
It really is. Plus, it keeps your whole plumbing system healthier overall, and interestingly, a well-maintained system can even boost your home's value if you ever decide to sell.
Right, buyers like knowing the essential systems are in good shape. So what does this all mean for you, the listener? Basically, a happier home, a happier wallet.
That's the bottom line.
All right, so if someone needs help with their valves, how do they pick the right person or company? Especially finding that good local expert.
Good question. Look for experience, first off. How long have they been doing this? Do they have good reviews from other homeowners in your area, like Coquitlam?
Okay, experience and reputation.
Yeah, and make sure they really know your local area. Ask them about local codes or conditions. And importantly, they should be upfront and clear about costs. No surprises.
Transparency is key. Good advice.
Definitely. You want someone who explains why something needs fixing, not just what it costs.
Okay, let's wrap this up. So the big ideas today. Water valves are small, but mighty important.
Absolutely crucial.
Local experts, especially in places like Coquitlam, bring invaluable knowledge.
Tailored solutions.
And taking care of your valves proactively. That pays off in savings, efficiency, and peace of mind.
Big time. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, maintaining your valves isn't just good for your house, it actually helps conserve water, which is a plus for the whole community.
That's a great point. So maybe a final thought for everyone listening. Next time you turn on your tap, just picture that little valve doing its job inside the wall. And maybe ask yourself, what other hidden parts of my home are working hard? And is there a small check I could do now to prevent a big headache later?